Hey my ninja warriors, I know that you all are pouring chat sections with ma'am, maths is tough, maths is hard, maths is scary, I'm scared of maths is something else, physics and chemistry are still fine, but mathematics is something which we are not able to do. Or if you have your examination tomorrow or day after tomorrow or on 1st February, then this video is must watch for you. Do watch this video till the very end because I'm going to talk very to the point and in a very crisp manner. Okay, so first of all, yes, compared to physics and chemistry, we all have 4 papers. 27 January shift 1 and 2, 29 January shift 1 and 2. So compared to chemistry and physics, maths is coming a relatively harder in terms of calculation or in terms of difficulty level. If in any shift maths is coming easier, then it is calculative, it is time consuming, and if the question are not calculative, they are coming a little bit trickier, so you will take some time to think about the concept, right? So that's what the nature of paper is consistently in all 4 papers, right, for JEE Main 2024. Is this surprising? Is this unexpected? A big no. Every year it happens. Every year either mathematics is calculative or mathematics is a bit trickier. And you know what, if you are thinking that this will actually impact your percentile, 100% it will impact your percentile, but not in that manner which you are thinking. It is actually blessing in disguise. So basically for mathematics, the cutoff of mathematics will be much lower, right, as compared to physics and chemistry, obviously, because if physics and chemistry are easy, what do you think? If maths is also easy, then what will happen? Then it is not good actually. So there has to be one subject which has to be tough. Otherwise, your percentile will not be, basically you won't be able to decide. For everyone it is easy and there is no such differentiator. Right? If I am better than you, then how will we decide if they only give easy questions? Are you getting my point? Okay, so this is a decider factor. This is a blessing in disguise. I will tell you. Even if you say that, okay ma'am, my mathematics is not that good, even if that is the case, then also it is good for you only. Okay, right? So be happy that mathematics is coming tough. So whenever any subject, for example, in tomorrow's shift, tomorrow we have 2 papers and on 31st we have another 2 papers, and first some people will write question paper on 1st February as well. Suppose if physics is coming tough, it can happen, right? If physics is coming tough, so how to handle the tough subject is the thing which you should be focusing on. You shouldn't be scared. You should be only focusing on how to handle the tough subject. Okay. So when any subject is having tougher questions now, so the whole thing is all about selection of questions. Yes, 100%. Don't do tough questions. Only select 12 to 15 questions from mathematics. And you know what? 12 to 15 questions are doable questions in mathematics. So you don't need to select tough questions. The whole thing, the whole USP, the whole major breakthrough of this whole situation is selection of the question, identification of the question. If your selection is right, if you're selecting right questions, then you will be in win-win situation. Otherwise, it may become a curse for you that mathematics is tough. And I'm talking about any subject, for any subject. And you know what? There are some students who are asking me that, ma'am, okay, please tell me if mathematics is coming tough, so how do we solve it? Basically, how do we tackle the subject, the time management between the subject? So basically, to tackle this, the very first thing, can I write this? Can I write over here? Yes, I can. Okay. Yes. So first thing is, what sequence are you following? Right? So you have to either start with chemistry or physics. Recommended is start with chemistry, but if your chemistry is weak, you can start with physics as well, and do all the questions in 40 minutes. Okay, try to do all the question in 40 minutes so that you can save the time from chemistry and give it to mathematics. right? Okay, and then second is physics. You can interchange the sequence as well, and again 40 to 50 minutes you should be doing physics. Again, it depends, because physics is coming easy, that's why I'm saying 40 to 50 minutes, because sometimes physics may take some more time than chemistry, and the rest of the time should be given to mathematics. And you know what, in mathematics also you don't have to do all the questions. Are you getting my point? Do not go behind all the questions, just try to select the easier questions first, and I will tell you in detail as well how to do that. So this is the recommended sequence, okay? And you know what, so giving maximum time to time consuming subject is the key, because this is the decider subject. Now how to tackle tough subject or any subject, let me just show you. So basically, when your chemistry is easy, you might ending up many questions in chemistry. When your physics is easy, you might ending up doing more questions in physics. But if your mathematics is difficult, now you won't be able to do more questions, right? So again, identifying the problem, identifying the right problem is the key. So basically, we have 3-pass or 3-round strategy. 3-pass or 3-round strategy, in which for tough subject, what we do is we scan all 30 questions, because in mathematics 30 questions are there. So we scan. First step is scan all the 30 questions, okay, and divide the whole paper. Basically, in your mind, you have to categorize question in 3 different categories. This I already told you in the beginning also, that give the mock test, strategize the mock test like this only. Identification is the key in mathematics. So scan and divide the whole paper into 3 categories: alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha is easy question, so you have to find 6 to 7 easy questions in mathematics, and then moderate questions. So again, now this depends on your caliber, that how do you find it. So basically 5 to 7 questions, moderate questions, if you are able to find, if you are able to do, then do it. And rest, this depends on your potential, that how many gamma question, difficult question can you do. You can skip this as well, because you know, if you solve basically 6 to add it 15 questions, 7 plus 7 14 questions are already there. So 1 to 3 questions if you are able to solve from gamma category, which is difficult category, now then you're done. So basically, maths paper is tough? No. Why? Because you don't have to solve tough questions, right? Maths paper is easy to moderate paper, basically, if you are able to select the right questions. If you're not able to select the right question, then you will fall in this category ki haan, this was tough. So this was the whole thing. Do not get scared. Be happy. Okay, maths paper is tough. That means I'll select the right question. I'll do the right question. Minimum number of question will be done, and you will be in win-win situation. Okay, so this is the strategy, 3-pass strategy to tackle any tough subject or mathematics, basically time consuming. So time management is the key. Okay, so do not panic, do not worry, everything will be in your favor. Think like that. You will be definitely come out with flying colors for mathematics only. Okay, and you know what, let me just tell you, so we have previous data, right? 2021, 2022, 2023. So we have all 4-5 years data and many more data also. So let me just tell you, for 2024, was the paper unexpected? Were the question unexpected? Were the topics unexpected? Definitely not. So important topics are still the same, which were last year also, and in 2021 also, 2022, 2023, same pattern, same trend analysis is going on. Let me just tell you. So I have prepared it for you, that what all topics are there in 2024. Okay, so basically from algebra, we have from sequence and series, you know what, AP, then you have GP, then you have, okay, so AGP is something which is actually coming out of the syllabus, so we will do it. It is not that difficult. It will take hardly 10 to 15 minutes to see it. We have studied it, right? So AGP, and in algebra, and then in binomial theorem we have NCR ki properties. We have, if you have skipped na, So please see that property which is NCR is equals to N upon R, N minus 1 CR minus 1. This property can be a life savior property. You can solve 2 to 3 questions on this, okay? Or either you can solve today's problem as well, okay? Remainders problem, I already told you that they will give you remainder problem from binomial theorem. It was expected, right? What was unexpected? Nothing was unexpected. This was absolutely expected. Then general term problem, right? Problem related to general term of binomial theorem, right? This was expected from binomial theorem. It was there. Matrices and determinant. From matrices and determinant, what all topics were there? So basically properties of determinant and adjoint. So basically properties of adjoint. So this I already told you. I have made a video where I have said that, okay, properties of adjoint. So everything was expected, okay? And you know what? This type of problem, determinant of KA is what? Determinant of adjoint of A. Are you getting my point? These all properties are important. Then from quadratic equation, we have Newton's formula. Please do solve some problem from Newton's formula because this is coming in 2024 and it used to come in previous years as well. Newton's formula plus theory of equation. Yes, theory of equation where cubic equation is given sum of roots, product of roots. So this is theory of equation, right? So these are topics are important. From calculus, we have important topics, right? From calculus, what all topics are important? Equivalence relation, reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Functional equation, I already told you. Functional equation. Problem related to functional equation, right? Problem related to basic differentiation. Okay. Basic differentiation, differentiate this function, find f dash 0, right? Then Leibniz theorem, I already told you that this is important. Leibniz theorem plus L'Hopital rule. Leibniz problem related to Leibniz plus L'Hopital. There was a question from 2021. There was a question in 2022 as well, right? So this is coming in 2024. It was expected only, right? So nothing is surprising for you in mathematics. Do not worry about this. Okay. Composite function. So basically fog x, gof x, range of fog, graph of fog. Okay. And indefinite integration. Don't tell me. I didn't tell you. That King's property, King's rule is important. Problem related to King's rule. And indefinite integration mein, integration related to substitution is also important, right? Substitution is also important. And okay, and you know what? Linear differential equations. In differential equation mein linear differential equation, homogeneous, I already told you, homogeneous. And this year variable separable was also a lot of questions from variable separable were also there. And then in AOD tell me maxima, minima, increasing, decreasing. This was what we've expected and this is what has come, okay? And yeah, so basically, and from statistics, related problems related to variance, vector and 3D, problem related to collinear, two vectors are collinear, so you can write A is equals to lambda times B vector, right? And you know what, we have skipped scalar triple product, so what you can do is you can just go through a few properties of scalar triple product, okay? This was actually a vague thing written in the syllabus, that vector products. So we have seen that some problem from scalar triple product were there, but not in very depth. Just go through a few properties of scalar triple product. It may help. Dot product, cross product, okay? In 3D geometry, questions related to shortest distance between two lines were observed, right? So all these questions. Statistics mein I already told you mean and variance problem, and complex number mein basic equation solving, Euler's form, polar form, all these topics are important which were as expected, okay? So yes, so my last statement would be there is nothing to worry about. All you have to do is focus on question selection. You don't have to do the complete paper and just relax, okay? Relaxing will give you basically peace, and peace will make you do more problems. That is observed. That is for sure. Okay. All right, so let me just show you something that okay, we are running a test series whose link is given in description box. Okay, 5 scheduled tests are there, 10 practice mock tests are there, 2 rank predictor tests are there. So wherein we'll be predicting your rank as per the students, and yeah, test discussion live will happen with master teachers, and the link is given in the description box. Along with that, we have previous year question booklets, right? Again, link is given in the description box. You can see chapter wise previous year question are covered for physics, chemistry and mathematics. And you know what? We have this basically this books related to JEE Advance, wherein they will accelerate your rank. The questions are designed in such a way that your rank may get accelerated. So do basically purchase this book. Link is given in the description box. So yes, now I'll be taking your leave. We'll be coming tomorrow. You all know that we'll be discussing tomorrow's paper at 1 o'clock sharp. This is me, Namrata, signing off.